Yes, emotional addiction is a real thing, just like any other addiction. So here's what happens when if we grew up in less than healthy environment where shame, fear, control, any kind of abuse is a common thing, we get addicted to these emotions. So anytime there's a crisis, it makes us feel that we have come to life. We are alive. And what happens in close relationships? So many times these close relationships are built on the basis of crisis, gossip. Um, there's got to be a drama somewhere. That's how families or other relationships they come together. There's gossip. We talk about this person, you talk about that person, and you feel like you're living life. You're alive, but we never really get to heal what's going on within us, right? So that's the emotional addictions. Many times, people even create scenarios in their head when they are going to sleep at night. They create scenarios in their head as if they're happening for real. They create all kinds of stories. So the feelings of, for example, feeling abandoned, feelings of feeling hurt, feelings of, excluded, they liven up inside of them and they relive those feelings over and over and over again. So here's the intelligence behind it. We're not crazy. The reason why we do that, so we can actually heal those feelings of feeling abandoned. We can actually heal from the past traumas. But when we don't know that, we continuously repeat these feelings, um, and we only make them bigger and bigger and bigger because we go inside of them, we pay so much attention and focus, and they become bigger than life itself. If we understand that we do that because deep in the subconscious there are things that need to be healed, then we heal it. How do we heal it? We open our heart to that part of us which felt the abandoned. That little girl or little boy that's sitting in the corner feeling abandoned. We love that little boy or little girl. We open our heart to him or her. Then the the emotion of feeling abandoned turns into the emotion of love. That's what you wanted in the first place. We just didn't know how to get there. So there's a better way than to get addicted. There's a better way to feel alive than to get addicted to these negative emotions. Check out my free webinar series starting in 2 weeks, The Intelligence of Emotions. You don't want to miss it.